What's up, guys? When I went to Thailand, I purchased this box of 6 Hot Wheels. And yeah, this was one of the largest boxes in the store. And today, I'm gonna open these with you today. Come on, guys. Come on, let's open this. Yeah, so before we open it, you're gonna see how they look. Check this out. This is how the beauties look. Okay, now let's open them for real. Yeah. Okay. The Hot Wheels. Oh, it's kind of hot. And here they are. Yeah, these are our 6 Hot Wheels for today. Let's get them all out. So first we're gonna see the Mercedes-Benz. Whoa, this looks so cool. I can't wait to see these. Dude, check this out. Looks so cool. Especially the back. From my phone it looks pink color, but it's actually not. It's red color. This looks so cool, dude. Here it is. Today's car. Okay, so we unboxed the Mercedes-Benz. Now we're gonna unbox this Aston Martin. And I haven't heard of that, but yeah. This is the Aston Martin. Looks so cool, dude. And this silver is like one of the coolest silvers that I've ever seen in my whole life. I don't know. I don't know how I even got this. Aston Martin. It's 2015 Mattel, but the Mercedes-Benz was 2018 Mattel. Yeah. Yeah, and that was the Aston Martin. Now we're gonna see this Porsche. It's Porsche, right? Yeah, here it is. Looks pretty cool. I haven't seen this type of car in my life, but it looks pretty cool to me. This one is 2014. No, yeah, 14 Mattel. It's a Porsche 934 Turbo RSR. Yeah. Yeah, that was the Porsche. Now, we're gonna see this Jaguar. Yeah. Check out this Jaguar, dude. Looks so cool. This color, I don't like this color much, but I like this model. It's a 2020 Jaguar F-Type. It's 2020 Mattel. Nice. Okay, now time to see my next car. It's an Audi. Here it is. This looks pretty cool actually. It's an Audi R8 Spider. Yeah, it pretty much looks like a spider to me. Yeah. And blue is my favorite color, by the way. It's 2019 Audi Spider, and it's a 2019 Mattel. Yeah. And now for our final Hot Wheel. It's the BMW. Yeah. This is cool. And it has the BMW sign and everything. Yeah. It says Canon over here. I don't know what that is, but yeah. This is the future. It's pretty cool. And it's pretty cool black. It's 2011 Mattel. BMW 2002. Yeah. And those are all our Hot Wheels for today. So these are our Hot Wheels. We got the Mercedes-Benz A-Class, the 19 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. We got this. What's this? It's the Aston Martin DB10. Then we have this car. It's a Porsche. Has the Porsche sign and everything. And what is this? It's the Porsche 934 Turbo RSR. And next we have the Jaguar. What's this model again? It's a 2020 Jaguar F-Type. And next we have the Audi. And then it's a 2019 Audi RS Spider. And our final car, BMW. It's a 2002 BMW. Yeah, it's a BMW 2002. And I got all of my cars from the Siam Paragon Mall in Thailand, the shopping mall. And yeah, I admit that these cars are pretty great. Mercedes-Benz, Aston Martin, the Porsche, the amazing Jaguar, the Audi, and the BMW. Okay guys, see you next time for more Hot Wheels! Bye bye!